These are the wolves at the Virginia Living Museum. The father was born in May of 2013 and acquired from the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge in North Carolina in November of 2005. This is where the father and two sons of a litter are kept. It was a litter of 6, and the females the female pups were transferred in September of 2007 to Alligator River Refuge, where they could be part of the breeding program. This is the first exhibit, the public exhibit of red wolves in Virginia, or the first permanent exhibit. The mother of the litter was born in the May of 2001. The litter was in the year of 2006. Two of the wolves from this litter were males and kept here. This is the father, or one of the wolves is the father. The other two are the sons. The mother, in December of 2007, was transferred to Salisbury Zoo in Maryland. The natural habitat of the red wolf is the general temperate forest and the southeastern United States. By 1970s, only a small fraction remained in the southeast, Texas and southwest Louisiana. All of these wolves were rounded up and captured and sent to a captive breeding program at Point Defiance Zoo in Tacoma, Washington. In 1980, the species was declared extinct in the wild due to persecution by humans and loss of habitat. In the early 1900s, these beautiful red wolves had a bounty, as in farming cultures, if you could prove that you had killed one, you would receive a cash bonus. In 1987, they were reintroduced to Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge in North Carolina. Today, 100 red wolves, divided into about 20 packs across the designated 1.5 million acres, are in this wildlife refuge. The coast of North Carolina is one of the few places left where red wolves can be heard in the wild. The red wolf is only about half the size of a gray wolf, but almost twice the size of a coyote. Red wolves live in large family packs and are one of the last remaining predators of deer. The red wolf gets its name from the reddish-brown coat that it can sometimes be described as in the sun. Its scientific name is the Canis rufus. In the wild, red wolves will often travel miles in a day. They are quick and very endurant. They are mostly nocturnal, and that is when they have the best hunting. They are carnivorous, and they feed on deer, rabbits, and raccoon. They breed once a year in February and have around 4 to 8 pups. Which are born about 63 days later. They reach maturity in 2 years and may survive 9 years in the wild, which is slightly extended in captivity. They have strong noses, and their communication is a variety of yelps, whines, and growls, as well as howls.